Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa Crafts. Me and my brother will be showing you how to make a katana made by wood.
So first you're going to need a 42-inch piece of wood, a saw to cut the wood, a drill, which we'll be using lately, and then a file to file down your sword and make it cleaner. And we're making this sword because we've recently been very into Demon Slayer, and we thought it would be pretty cool to make one of their swords. So let's get to it.
Yeah!
First, we're gonna cut 42 inches off so we can remove the rest because we only need 42 inches. And we're done. Okay, now we're gonna cut off the handles. Your handles want to be about 7.5 inches. Now that we've made two parts of the handle, it's time to cut. This part will be your blade, and you're gonna want to cut it in half because no blade is this thick. Cut it in half long lengthways. Okay, now we're gonna be hot gluing the two sides. Just get out the hot glue if you can. Now, after you've hot glued them, you're gonna put them together nicely. You wanna get the evenly. So you're gonna wanna hot glue this handle base so you can put on the handle you made earlier. Quickly hot glue it before the hot glue dries. Then you're gonna wanna place on it in the exact middle. Hold it there for a few seconds. And then flip it over and do the same on the other side. Okay, now we're gonna cut this out, and it's gonna be the hand guard. So you're gonna put it here. Okay, now we're gonna use a drill to cut out the shape of your blade, and we're gonna put this hand guard on here so you won't get hurt. And we're gonna be using a drill, but I don't think I'm capable of using this, so I'm gonna ask for a grown-up's help, and I suggest you do too. Okay, now time to put on the handle guard. You're gonna wanna put some glue on the bottom first. Then you're gonna put on your guard. Now that you've done that, push it on. Then put some more glue on the top so it stays. Be generous with the glue because you do not want this falling off. And then, there. Next step done. Then the final step, the blade part, the sharper part, you want to round it off with a knife or a saw. So what I'm doing right now is filing down the tip of the sword so it becomes more aesthetically pleasing. But that's just the last step. Until you get the perfect curve you want, it's basically just what you do. So these are the final products. Do they look good to you?
Yeah, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!